So what's up guys, hope you are doing well. I'm Mesh from TechMesh and today I'm going to show you that how you can turn off the voicemail option on your iPhone. So whether you are running on the latest iPhone 17 or the previous iPhone versions, this video will work for all of you. So currently I am on my latest version of the iOS that is supported my device. So to turn off the voicemail, you need to follow a couple of steps. So first what you need to do is you need to mainly here go to the dialer app on your device, and then here just go to the keypad option, and then here you mainly need to type hash hash 004 hash, and then you need to mainly call this number. All right, so I will also put it in the screen. So here it is saying please wait. So if you successfully dialed it, then you would get something like this. It would say that the operation is succeeded. So here you can see. So this would mainly turn off the call forwarding option on your iPhone. So this was the first step. And for the next step, what you need to do is go to the settings of your device. And in your settings, you mainly need to go to your phone app. So in your you can find it under settings. Here is the app option, so just tap on the app option, and then here you mainly need to search for phone. So here you can see the phone, so just tap on phone. So in your phone option here, you mainly need to scroll down a bit, and here you can see an option called live voicemail. So just tap on it. So it might be turned on by default. And if you cannot find this option, maybe this is because of the region, maybe in your region or in your iOS version, the live voicemail option is not supported. So if it is not supported, then you do not need to worry about it. But if it is toggled on, you mainly need to toggle it off. All right, so you here we have just toggled off the live voicemail, and then go back, and then here you can also find the option called call forwarding under call settings. So here just tap on call forwarding. So here in my case it is toggled off. So in your case, if it is toggled on, you mainly need to toggle it off. So that's it. By following these simple tutorials, your voicemail should be turned off. So the other person cannot like leave you a voicemail. But yeah, this window will keep remain as it is. All right. You cannot actually delete this window, but the other person on the other hand cannot leave you a voicemail. And by following all of these steps, if you still the other end of the person is can still leave you the voicemail, then I would suggest you to call your carrier and contact with them, because sometimes the only the carrier can turn off the voicemail. So that's it. This is how you can turn off the voicemail on your iPhone. So if this video worked for you, then don't forget to hit the like button, and also let me know that in the comment section below, and let others know that if this video worked for you and which method particularly helped you. And if it did not work for you, also let me know that in the comment section below. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I'm Mesh from TechMesh, and I'm signing out.